Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be an unboxing video and I have got a Mother's Day beauty box and this is what it looks like. It's a limited edition box by Look Fantastic. It is rather large and it is quite heavy and it's in a gorgeous sort of lemon shimmery sort of shade and it's got rose gold, as you can see, all around the corners there. But look how pretty that is. It is beautiful. So inside this box contains a selection of high-end beauty products. Now the box costs £55 and that includes shipping and the value comes to over £200, which is amazing. So a massive saving. Then this box goes on sale on Monday the 11th of March and it's first come first serve, so their boxes tend to sell out pretty quick. So if you're really interested in this box, then I would definitely recommend you go in on the Monday because you never know, it might be a bit too late. So I was kindly gifted this box by Look Fantastic in an exchange for an unboxing video to show you all. This is so heavy. Oh my word. So this is what it looks like here. You've got a little leaflet telling you all about the product. Okay, I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. Woo. There, I don't want to tip anything out, so I'm just going to put this down to the side of me. I'll pick an item out, show you and refer to this card. So if you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, Look Fantastic is a beauty website and that sells absolutely everything. They ship worldwide as well. They also do a monthly subscription box which costs £15 a month. That includes shipping and that one ships worldwide as well. So if you want any information about Look Fantastic website, any deals they've got on at the moment, links to the limited edition boxes on their website, plus I have a refer a friend code off a subscription box for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, then everything will be listed down below. So click on the show more and that will bring up my description and everything related to Look Fantastic and this box will be listed down there. What I noticed about this box is that it's got a little quote in there and this says, "Behind your story is always that of your mother because hers is where yours began." So that's inside there. So the first item is a Christoph Robin and it's a regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil and this is a 250ml and that's what that looks like there. A little tub. Open it up and that's that packaging there then. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, that smells really nice. Yeah, it just looks like, as you'd expect a hair mask to look like. I love the little container it's in as well. Pop it back in. So the information on the card says that this rejuvenate dry and damaged hair with this regenerating mask that restores and revitalizes locks from root to tip. Enriched with pure prickly pear seed oil, this mask has antioxidant and regenerative properties, deeply repairing hair from within. So that's the first item. Next we've got an S-Bar product and this is a Triactive Advanced Instant Facial Anti-Aging Concentrate for Revitalized Glowing Skin and this is 30ml. So that looks like there. So you've got a little information leaflet in there as well. Just want to see what it looks like. Okay, so that's what that looks like there. Feels really nice. Feels really nice. I'm not too sure what type of product this would be. Is it an instant facial? I'll have a read of a card now. Oh, it tells me on the back as well, but I'll read the card first because I'm not too sure. This is an advanced, age-defying 3-in-1 serum, essence and treatment oil. The serum instantly soothes and hydrates, leaving the complexion glowing and revitalised. Antioxidant macroalgae cell extract helps to smooth appearance of lines and wrinkles, whilst white truffle extract boosts elasticity. Oh wow, it felt like a serum, but because it's an instant facial, I wasn't too sure how you would apply that to your face or in what order. But it says here, it's suitable for all skin types and it says after cleansing and toning, apply 1 to 2 pumps of this intensive serum. Press gently onto face, neck and décolletage until fully absorbed. To intensify results, follow with your favourite S-Bar moisturiser. So that's the second item. Next we've got a huge tub of rituals. I'm really excited by this. I love rituals and this is the Ritual of Sakura and this is Magic Touch Body Cream, Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. And what size are we? It's 220ml there, so a really massive tub. Oh, this is lovely. We had, hold on. We had this actually in our March Look Fantastic beauty subscription box and this is a hand balm. It's the same as this and I love it. I keep it down there so I can just pop a bit on my hands. Oh, that's so nice, so nice. It's just a load of cream, a load of body cream there. Let's try a bit. Oh my God, it just feels so lovely. Like I want to put my hands in and have a good old play with it. I'm sensory seeking here. Oh, that is so, so nice. It just feels so thick and luxurious. I love this stuff. Absolutely love it. So this nourish and comfort skin with this rich and creamy formula that absorbs quickly, softening and moisturising skin. Harnessing the hydrating properties of vitamin C and Centella asiatica, skin is left supple and smooth with the gentle fragrance of rice milk and cherry. Experience a calm and restored body. Oh, so that's that item. Next, we've got a lip serum by Inica Organic, and this is a 5ml. Hold on, let me get it out here, show you. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. That is bright orange. Wow, look at that. I was expecting it to be more like clear or very pale at least. Wow. Okay, so it's a lip serum. I can't try it on my lips. It does smell. Does it smell? Hold on, I've got to be careful now because I'm like going over different products on my hands. I think it smells quite like orangey. Oh, it might do. It might do. There might be a bit of a citrus thing going on there. I'm not too sure unless it's just the colour making me think that. Infuse your lips with moisture with this nourishing lip serum that delivers intense and long-lasting hydration. Containing skin-loving ingredients such as sea buckthorn, this lip serum has healing and protective properties, soothing raw and chapped lips. That sounds amazing. That sounds really, really lovely. Still don't know why it is a bright orange one, but it doesn't matter. We've got a molten brown massive bottle of fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel. That's what it looks like there. Massive, massive one. So what is this? This is 330. I love molten brown products. Really nice. Really smells gorgeous. Oh, it's nice. It is nice. So fiery pink pepper. Refresh and subtly fragrance from top to toe with notes of fiery pink pepper, tangerine, elemi oil and ginger with this antioxidant rich shower gel. Add a hint of luxury to your daily routine with this invigorating bath and shower gel. So that's that item. And our last item is a Pry, if I've said that right, Pry 24 karat gold wrinkle repair eye cream. And this is 15ml, so that's what that looks like there. It's supposed to be this amazing instant anti-wrinkle cream. I've seen pictures of like before and after on eyes, and it's if you use it once a day for 7 days, you can see a dramatic difference. Now I know some of these adverts, you know, they play on it a little bit, don't they? And they may not all be real, but then I did look into it a little bit more because I was curious, and yeah, it seems to be this like amazing wrinkle cream for your eyes, and I can't wait to try it. See if it works. But no, it's just a cream, just a nice luxurious cream. So let's see what the information says, because I haven't read the leaflet, so I don't know what it says here. So it says achieve a youthful and luminous complexion with this beauty treatment that targets under eyes to optimize skin's collagen and elastin levels. Rejuvenate the delicate eye area with this fast absorbing anti-aging formula that fights fine lines and wrinkles. Fortified with Nulastic, Silk and Iodine, this eye cream helps to minimise dark circles while simultaneously defending against free radicals. It does sound cool, doesn't it? It really sounds cool. So that's that item. So those are the 6 items altogether. So I'm just going to gather them up. I thought I could, but I can't. I keep doing this. I can only hold so much with my hands. So I'll just go through them quickly. So we've got a Rituals body cream. We got a Pry 24 karat gold wrinkle repair cream, Christoph Robin regenerating mask, a molten brown bath and shower gel, an Inica Organics lip serum, and lastly, Esper Instant Facial Serum. So those are all the items, the 6 items in all. The box costs £55 and the whole value comes to over £200. So you are saving a ton of money, really. This just screams luxurious pampering for me. Anyway, you've got a bit of everything from top to toe, basically, and some really nice products I haven't tried before that I'm really, really excited to give a go, especially that lip serum and, yeah, this facial serum as well. And that eye cream, to be honest. If it does anything to my under eyes by this time next week, I'll be giving it a go for sure to see. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you looking for a Mother's Day pamper gift for yourself, or are you looking for a Mother's Day pamper box to give to your mum or someone else in the family or friend, etc.? I'd love to know whether you think this is a really good box, and yeah, I'd love to know your opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.